Nike SB is wrapping up the year with a fresh addition to its lineup, the Dunk Low Pro in the Baroque Brown colorway. This release is set for December 26 at select skate shops, with an additional online drop through Undefeated happening the same day at 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Designed with everyday wear in mind, the shoe features a clean and understated color palette. Deep navy panels are paired with soft brown suede overlays, creating a textured and classic SB look. Pink laces and a matching swoosh add just the right amount of contrast, giving the sneaker personality without taking away from its refined style. A light tan midsole combined with a darker brown outsole completes the design and keeps the overall color story balanced. Like other SB Dunk Pro releases, this pair includes Zoom air cushioning in the insole for reliable impact protection and comfort. With limited availability and a solid design, the Baroque Brown Dunk Low Pro stands out as one of Nike SB's notable final releases of the year.